Everybody can see the screen, or is it stuck?
Yes, we can see.
I can see it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So this is a Tata motor chart, right? I have done this on a daily screen, right? So initially, when I spoke of a structuring thing, what we'll do is we'll check the monthly charts. So this is your monthly chart, okay? I want to do this line so that it's clearly visible. So to start from a base, we have this CCI Index. That's a commodity channel index. And it is a very good tool, and mostly FIs use this in conjunction with MACD and volumes. So when it is overheated, you can easily see at the top there. Okay, it works very well. And then you simultaneously use your patterns to identify what is it in making. Okay, so it's falling as of now. So the good buy will be when it will touch minus 96, and if it's going below, you can accumulate. 200 is very best buy, the best buy to accumulate a stock. See this. It has made a morning star pattern here, if you can see. First of all, you see, you need to identify how stock behaves on patterns. So morning star is actually good for this. Okay.
So after we see this pattern, normally when is the best buy that you would look at? The CCI would
First of
give
all, I'm
you the
structuring. Yeah. See, I'll let me explain you the structure first. I'm structuring the chart on the monthly basis. So it will actually give a help where to buy and where not. Let's see the support. This is called a structuring or scalping. So these are the resistance. The upper is 597. We have the mid resistance, that is 429. The low one is 262. This is the base on support. Now let's try to build a trend line. Perfect. So that's an intermediate trend line. Now we have structured it on a monthly basis. Now what are the trends visible? Let's identify the trends first. So this is what I say is a W pattern trend. It's a long-term bullish trend. Whenever it makes half of a W pattern, so probably this mid, can you see this? This is a perfect W. Okay. So it is corrected from the top to make a 50% correction. So technically it's a buy at 432, the low which it has made. Okay. So what reversal we would require is this monthly close either in a hammer formation or it closes above this candle. So a short term resistance would be 460.61. So we'll notice that it will reverse from this point. Either it will stop and do the accumulation part and then run. So let's see on a weekly trend how the stock is performing. So again, it has started giving a reversal from the bottom. Can you see this?
yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this is initial sign actually, and looking at sentiment of market, looking at the policy and all, we can see some spike in the stock. Okay, it has reversed from the base. So let's do it daily. So daily formation is what? Now see, it's a small ascending triangle formation. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yeah.
It's a wrong line. I guess you guys are all perfect in using charts and all.
Yeah, charts. I use trading view normally. So yeah.
Yeah, I like Motilal software very, very much. most it's like more easy to chart and yeah, look things on time. Can you see this? It's an ascending triangle formation.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like charting, structuring on a monthly charts. Then we'll check on weekly if there is any parameter. If not on daily, if we find something on daily, we'll do it on a 60-minute chart. So we have done this. Now what we do is do it a 60-minute chart. See, it's visible. I have given a buy call a few minutes before, and on a 50%. Do you remember the chart on ONGC last time we spoke on?
Yes, ONGC, yes.
So can you
Yes.
see this a small morning star formation here? A small morning star formation and 50% correction. I asked you to buy. So it's a buy at 442. I bought at 442.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a buy with a stop loss of 440. And what will be the target? The target will be a trend line resistance. So it has already met the target now, 445.70. So that is how you look in intraday for 3 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees gain. But when we are doing this for a positional trade, it has already bottomed on a monthly chart. Can you see this?
Okay.
The 429.38 is a support line. I'll remove all this just to make you clear. Remove all. Okay. Now this is actually a W pattern which I was telling you about. And this is exactly the support it has made. Just see. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, please keep talking in between so that I'll get it that you guys are understanding it really.
Yeah. For the intraday, when you put one small line saying the target could be
So there are
used.
many ways. See, you can
Yeah.
actually use Fibonacci retracements. You can use supports and resistance. You can use trend lines. So actually, there are many ways. Then we can use oscillators as well. So if there is a reversal on MACD, CCI, RSI, so there are many ways to support it. But actually, don't require what my understanding is. If your basics, your trend lines, your supports, your chart structure is good, you are able to do well in the market. So on a monthly chart, it has taken a support. Okay.
Yeah.
So if we are buying this on a positional, so we may assume that 412 is a support. That will be a stop loss.
Yeah, this one I wanted to have more clarity on. Why we are putting 412 as a stop loss? How did we calculate it? Or how
It's
did
very
we see it? Yeah.
See, what are charts? Charts are actually a historical statement.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we have to do is we need to see past falls. I mean, where they have taken the support if the market is not in favor. So just see the past fall. This is one. I mean, the below this trend line. Okay.
Yeah.
It started from here. It's fallen to the low of 417. Can you see on the right side? The red
Yes,
L,
the price. Yes.
417. So let's go to the other one. So 407. Okay. So we have to see in a layer formation. So upper layer, when it reaches the intermediate layer, what is the maximum fall? That is going to be a stop loss. So I have also put this super trend line. If you can see, it's always it's again a very good parameter to describe the movement of the chart. So you can, there are many parameters you can add, but I like this one, the averages. You can use your simple moving average or you know weighted average uh, to identify this. So people use 50 days moving average, 100 days, 200. So probably it's again more or less the same thing, but this is where you identify the stock. So I've traded that already. These gain. But positionally, if you want to be into this counter, so this is actually a value buy point. It has already corrected from 600. It has made a 432 as in low. So it's a W pattern confirmation for a positional buy. And the long term target would be you can use retracements then, Fibonacci. If you take this as a 100% and 0%, 128% can be your target.
Maybe after this we could look even into TVS Motors. You gave a 224 view. We'd like, I mean, I would like to understand the basis for this.
Why?
Huh?
For every chart, there is a reason.
Yeah. Sure.
So this is clear, I guess. The structuring thing which I have explained you.
Yeah.
Everyone
Yes.
asking Deepa,
Yes.
Ram,
Yeah.
Rich, Akash.
Yes.
Deepa is there?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how actually we structure on a monthly, on a weekly, and a daily and hourly. If you are doing an intraday trades, I am actually a positional player, so I usually don't do intraday trades. So it requires more time and